Hello everyone, this is Bella. Today I will make 3 famous lemonade. In hot summer, you must have lemonade, healthy and delicious. Let's go! Number 1. Lemon water soda. We only need organic lemon, honey, and soda. First, wash lemon. Sometimes lemons are coated with artificial wax. It's harmful to body. We need spare a layer of salt on the lemon. Rub it with your hands and then wash it. I chose the organic lemon. It is easy to wash it. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and other nutrients. Lemon juice is ready. Add honey, ice, water, stir. Finally, add baking soda. Well done! Lemon soda can balance the body's acid and alkali, make you beauty. It also can relieve symptoms such as indigestion and constipation. Number 2. Fully lemonade. We only need 1 lemon and water. This is Icelandic glacial. It's the purest tasting water on earth. First step, free the zest from the lemon. The lemon zest has a higher content of flavonoids, it to be more fully stimulated, a true full nutrition. Put it in the plate. Step 2, rolling the lemon and getting it softer so we can get more juice. Step 3, cut. Remove seeds. Prepare a large kettle and squeeze into the lemon juice. Then take the rest of lemon, cut them like this. Put them in the plate. Now add lemon zest, pieces, or add water in and mix them. You are getting the full benefits from your lemon. Enjoy it! Number 3. Lemon honey water. We need 1 lemon, honey, and a glass jar. First, we freeze the lemon for 2 hours. In order to prevent oxidation, lock more nutrients and save longer. Slice. Put a layer of lemon with honey. Let the lemon slice be soaked in honey. It can lock the vitamin C in the lemon, keep all the nutrients. Cover it and store this in fridge for 2 days to allow it to marry together. This jar will last up to a week in the fridge. 2 days. Taste it. Put 2 slices and brew with warm water at no more than 70 degrees Celsius. This will stimulate the rich vitamin C. You will love to have a cup every day. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please clap to subscribe.